Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error on Instagram. Try again in a few minutes later. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi and just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. Also you can try to turn off mobile data and turn on again. Just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general. If it doesn't help you, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to check updates for your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.